Let's now discuss plants as sources of effective medicine. Foxglove, from the digitalis species, is a local plant that have been used since the Middle Ages to treat dropsy, a condition characterized by edema due to congestive heart failure. In the late 18th century, Scottish physician William Withering introduced digitalis leaves as a tea for the treatment of cardiac dropsy, and described its effectiveness. The active principles in these plants are steroids, with one or more sugar molecules attached, and digoxin, obtained from digitalis purpurea or D. lanata, is proven clinically to be the most useful among all available cardiac glycosides. It is still used today as an important drug for the treatment of heart failure. Deadly nightshade. Atropa belladonna, a solanaceous herb found in Central Europe, contains the alkaloids atropine and scopolamine. The effects of this plant were known since antiquity, with historical use of its extracts as eye drops for pupillary dilation to enhance female attractiveness. In the 19th century, the alkaloids were isolated, their structures elucidated, and their specific mechanism of action recognized. Atropine is the prototype of a competitive antagonist at the muscarinic type of acetylcholine receptors, and it is used in modern medicine for various purposes, such as dilating pupils, treating certain types of poisoning, and as a preoperative medication to reduce salivation and respiratory secretions. The common white willow, Salix alba, and basket willow, Salix viminalis, contain salicylic acid derivatives in their bark. Willow bark preparations have been used since antiquity for the treatment of pain, fever, and inflammatory reactions. In the 19th century, salicylic acid was isolated as the active principle of this folk remedy. Salicylic acid is still used externally as a keratolytic agent, but it is no longer taken orally due to its gastrointestinal side effects. Acetylation of salicylic acid, which was introduced around 1900, resulted in acetylsalicylic acid, commonly known as aspirin, which has improved oral tolerability and is widely used as an analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory drug. Autumn crocus, Colchicum autumnale, a plant belonging to the lily family, contains the alkaloid colchicine in all its parts. Colchicine inhibits the polymerization of tubulin to microtubules, which are responsible for intracellular movement processes. This action underlies its beneficial effect in the treatment of acute gout attacks, where it reduces inflammation and pain. Colchicine also prevents mitosis by causing an arrest in metaphase, making it a spindle poison. It is still used today as a treatment for gout, although newer drugs with similar actions but fewer side effects are also available.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.